Shalak! Ayan, kakagising ko lang after taking a quick nap. Shalak! Magdi-dinner ako ngayon sa labas, malapit lang dito. Ayan, medyo umano pa yung ulo ko, guys. Kasi nung nagkumato kasi yung housekeeping, tapos bigla akong nabagok sa pader kasi ano pa yung parang sarado pa or turn off pa yung light. Wala pa. Hindi naman siguro alata, no? Siya lang. Magdi-dinner lang ako ngayon sa labas. And malapit lang dito. And then after that, magpapamasahe. And then balik ng hotel kasi maaga pa tayo bukas at around like 7:30 ata yung sundo ko. Check ko kung anong oras yung check natin kung anong oras yung sundo ko tomorrow. 1. Check. Pero ang alam ko maaga yun. Let's see. What's up? Afternoon. Pick up time is 8 to 8:10. 8:10. Oh, baka kapag breakfast pa ako. I would like to confirm your Banana Hills or driver will pick you up at 8 to 8:10. Crown Plaza din ang City Center. Shella. O, diba? Kakaloka. Guys, hindi nila maintindihan yung yung steam, but they're really trying their best para intindihin ako, guys. Kumuha pa sila ng Google Translate. Sabi ko, kahit ano na, whatever you can give me, sabi ko siya. Hindi nila maintindihan. Gusto kasi ng yung parang steam na, hindi kasi siya, guys, naluluto. Kahit mainit pa yung sabaw, hindi rin siya naluluto kapag hilaw yung binigay sa akin na bean sprout. Then, naluluto naman. Pero, mabilis ko kasi siyang nakakain kapag order pa sana ako ng maraming pagkain kasi sabi ko magpapamasahe. So ayoko yung parang bundat na bundat habang minamasahe. Diba? Pwede naman pala na ganito puro vegetables na lang. Kasi hindi ko rin kinakain yung noodles, guys, as in. Kung nasasayang lang siya. At konti lang nakakain, pwede ako nabubusog. Kasi nga walang hindi ko pinakain yung noodles, puro mga beef lang. Diba? So, hindi na to po. Parang na siya, bean sprout noodles siya lang. Tingnan nyo, guys. Sa dami ba naman ng bean sprout na binigay sa akin? Siya lang. Sa dami ng bean sprout na binigay sa akin. Puro bean sprout na lang. Hindi kayo masira yung tiyan ko dito.
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. 'Cause, baby, I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out.
Ayan, hello guys, kakauwi ko lang and okay, dun muna. Dito na lang. Kasi nagmamadali na ako, gusto ko nang matulog. Ayan, okay naman yung naging masahe guys, as in, nagpamasahe ako malapit lang dito sa may Clover's Spa. Ayan natin. Clover's Spa. It is a 2-hour massage. I think 1.5 hour whole body massage. And then another 30 minutes for foot spa or foot massage. So that is a 2-hour or 120 minutes massage. I think the cost of that is around 950 or almost 1 million dong. But since they are running a promotion, supposed to be ang kukunin ko ay 90-minute lang. Kaso, halos same lang yung price ng package ng 90 minutes tsaka 2 hours kasi ano siya, meron siyang 20% discount sa package for 2 hours. So, naging 700 plus dong. Siguro mga nasa 700,000 dong ang binayaran ko for a 2-hour massage. So, that is around, if I'm not mistaken, siguro mga nasa parang halos pareho lang ng Thailand. Medyo a little bit more, I think, expensive lang dito yung massage. I'm not sure. But probably it's just because of the spa. Then, I don't know. Hindi naman siya masyadong glamoroso. Pero okay na. I think it's more than 1,000 pesos for a 2-hour massage. I think it's around like, let's see kung magkano yung ano. Kayo na yung mag-convert, bukas na lang. Kasi gusto ko na talagang matulog kasi meron pa akong sundo tomorrow at around 8 o'clock and I will still have my breakfast before that. So I need to wake up at least mga siguro mga 7 or 6:30. So bukas na lang guys, the receptionist was very welcoming. Meron lang nangyari na hindi ko inaasahan kasi since binigyan nila ako ng option ng male therapy, so male therapist yung kinuha ko guys. So, there's just some, pero hindi naman natuloy. Sabi ko, I'm here for a clean massage. Okay, I'm not here for anything else. If I want a dirty one, I will go to a dirty spa. 'Di ba? Kung gusto ko ng dirty, dediretso na ako sa dirty spa. At least alam ko na yung perception before pa lang ako mag-walk into a spa, alam ko na kung ano yung mangyayari. Pero sabi ko, no, 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 no. I'm not. Ikwento ka na lang sa inyo bukas. Hopefully. Thank you so much, guys. And have a blessed day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Ayan, hello guys. Good morning. Good morning to everyone. Isang nakakalokang morning. And for today's guys, for today ay pupunta ako ng Bana Hills. Ang aga ko nagising mga ang tawag dito, 6, mga 6 o'clock ganyan. Aga na ba yun? Mga before 6, mga siguro mga 10 minutes before 6 guys. And naligo na ako, nag-ayos. And it's already mga 6:40 na ngayon or 6:46. Pababa tayo sa lounge. Doon tayo mag-breakfast. Hindi sana sa restaurant kaso baka madaming tao. 24. Kaso baka maraming tao. Ayun, ma-under naman. Share. Let's go na guys. Dito na tayo. Pulang tayo. Yan. Yan. Shut up. Dali na tayo maupo. Ayun, kwento ko sa inyo guys yung nangyari. Pasensya na kasalamin ako medyo ayokong makita niyo yung mata ko, Charis. Ayan, kwento ko sa inyo yung nangyari sa akin kahapon, guys. Quick lang, kasi magsa 7:30 na. Ayun, okay naman yung spa, malinis, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, short lang. Diyos ko Lord, magaling magmasahe, sobrang galing. Tapos yung naano ko lang is that nung minamasahe niya na yung parang after ng back ano ko, nung minamasahe niya yung paa ko, tapos yung dito niya, hinahawak-hawakan niya yung ano, hinahawak-hawakan niya yung chest ko, guys, as in. Tapos nilapirot, tapos okay na naman yun na parang ano, masahihin yung chest ko, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos hindi ko namalayan na nilapirot niya na pala yung ano, yung nipples ko. Sabi ko, "Diyos ko Lord, tapos sabi ko parang, "Oh, sige, okay na lang," ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, sabi ko, okay na lang yan. Tapos hinubad niya yung mask ko. Ay, hindi ko type. Ay, bigla akong nagalit, day. May itsura naman siya, kaso sabi ko, ay, hindi ko type. Psh, pak, biglang nagalit. Naku, day. Biglang nagalit si Shalak. Sabi ko, wag, no. Shalak, nakakaloka. But anyway, yun. Doon pala sa kanya kwento ko. Yan guys, 7:45 na and baba na tayo. Ayoko naman mag-antay yung driver sa baba. Mas maganda tayo nang mag-antay kasi syempre, ano lang yun eh, pick up. Ayan, Shalak. Pak, Shalak.
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. 'Cause maybe I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out of kicks. Now you only make me sick. Think we're only here to stay alive now. 'Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway, I can't stay. 'Cause I know that all I know, it's time to go. It's time to go. You can pass the blame. Say what you want, you got nothing on me. We won't be the same. Don't you call me up, 'cause we badly need this change. Maybe I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out of kicks. Now you only make me sick. Think we're only here to stay alive now. 'Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway, I can't stay. 'Cause I know that all I know, it's time to go. It's time to go. It's all I know. It's time to go. 'Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway, I can't stay. 'Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. 'Cause maybe I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive
Ayan guys, kakabalik lang natin galing Bana Hills. Whew. Parating kami dito mga umalis kami doon ng mga 3 plus. Nakarating kami dito ng 4:12. Grabe nakakapagod, kaya ayoko talaga ng mga tour-tour. Shalak, as in, super duper guys, as in, nakakaloka. Ay, kaya as much as possible, I don't like tours. Gusto ko yung mga lang, DIY or mga relaxation lang, Emerald. Ay, kakaloka. Napagod yung kagabi lang ako nagpamasahe, pero parang kailangan wala naman ang masahe. Ay, nako. Emerald. Ayan. Inayos pa. Ay, in fairness, hindi ko napansin. Lumati ako. Fairness, inayos naman nila yung Ayan guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, inayos naman nila yung bed. Shala. So, magkape. Kasi inaantok ako at ayoko mag-nap kasi baka hindi ako makatulog. Baka late na naman ako makatulog ngayong gabi and I don't want to sleep late tonight. Gusto ko nang maagang magising tomorrow. Ay. Gusto kong pumunta sa Marble Mountain or sa malapit lang ba yan dito? Baka pwedeng i-grab bike na lang tomorrow or sa parang pagoda nila. Nirecommend din yun ng hotel staff sa akin. Wala talaga akong itinerary guys ng gagawin ko on a day-to-day dito sa Danang. It's just more on relaxation and Kemerut. Ayan, let's go to the executive lounge. Dadalhin ko na yung laptop ko, doon ako mag-edit ng mga vlog ko. Shala ko lang. Sing busy talaga. Yeah, doon ako mag-edit ng mga vlog kasi napagod talaga ako guys. Ay, shala. Let's go na. Kasi makakaabot pa ata tayo ng afternoon tea. Pero hindi ako magti-tea, baka mag-coffee ako. Let's bring some stevia. So, ko lang yung water kasi may mga water pa ako dito. Dinala ko ata yung water. Kaya pala mabigat yung bag ko. Ayan. Let's bring some shala. Na-review naman nila yung water. Kasi doon ako mag-i-edit. Mas ba yung laptop natin? Shala. Napagod. Parang hindi napagod yung ang napagod ay ko. Ang napagod ay yung itong paa ko. Ay, nakakalakad. Shala. Lakaran. Lakaran ng lakaran. Shala. Ayan, let's go na. Dalhin ko to. And then ako mag-edit. Shala. Ito pala. Oh Lord. Ay, meron kaya naka-full charge kaya ito. Natin. Hopefully naka-full charge siya. Para hindi na ako mag-ano. Inumin ko na nga ito. Para ako magkape mamaya. Ay, hindi. Let's bring our charger. Sana may charger na doon. Doon na ako mag-work. Ano yan? Parang lang, business center. Kaya meron, business center. Shut up. Doon ko na siya i-edit. Why don't we... Saan yung Ay, nilagay ko pala din yung mga phone ko. go na, guys. Dara na. May CR kaya dun? Mag-CR muna sa dito. Galing naman. Pati ito in-arrange ng mga ano guys. Nakakalat lang yan kanina dito. Shalak. Galing naman. Pati yan inayos. Tapos nilagyan nila ng ano, small na face towel. Shalak! Shalak, I appreciate you guys. Itong mga housekeeping or housekeeper ng ano, IHG dito. Or ng Crown Plaza. Ano ba kung ano yun? Wala na. Let's go. Ay! Stevia! Ay, may stevia pala ako sa bag. Hindi ko pa makalimutan. Alam niyo guys, kanina sa ano, hindi ko maganda naman yung ano, Bana Hills. Kaso, medyo pagi lang talaga kanina as in. Hindi naman siya bad weather, pero ewan ko, basta hindi siya ano, hindi makita ng maayos yung mga attraction. Kasi napaka-foggy. Ay, baba pala today. Shalak. Parati kong nakakalimutan na nasa 26th floor ako and I don't need to go up for the executive floor or executive club. Hindi mo kasi maano pag you need to tap your card. Shalak, let's go na.
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try.